I would rather be a poor, honest man than a rich, selfish, and lying man. You know, some people think, well, it's okay to say a little lie. It's okay to cut this corner or cut that corner. Well, if I just take that, is anyone really going to notice? Well, you always are with you, and you can never forget what you wish you could sometimes forget. For me, I want peace more than money. I want to be the person of integrity. And integrity breeds integrity. You know, a lot of businesses that I come across and people, they say, well, there's so much corruption in my country. You know, it's so hard to be the person of integrity in the company of integrity these days. Well, if we don't start with us, then when is the change going to happen? When you are setting the example and the standard of that excellence, that's when things are changing for the better. That peace is what I want. That change is what I want. And that is integrity.